Human resources management is a product of the human relations movement of the early 20th century, when researchers began documenting ways of creating business value through the strategic management of the workforce. So how do we define human resources management? We are happy that, together with us today are the Honorable two Ministers of Malaysia and employers from Riverside Majestic Hotel, employers from Felcra Oil Palm Plantation, and a well-known professor in HRM, Professor Bala of University of Kelantan, to answer that.
Human resource management is about managing people. So if we want to be successful, we have to focus on the people. So happy people will be able to serve the organization, whatever organization you are managing. So you have to look not only in terms of the welfare of the people, at the same time creating a conducive environment for them so that they will be able to produce the best from the services that they're offering, whatever organization that they serve.
In an organization, human resource management is one of the very, very critical functional limbs in achieving the vision, mission, objectives and strategic plan of an organization. So therefore, it is very, very important. And HRM is very important in getting the right person for the right job and task. Employees with motivation and retention is very, very important, and no disruption of the operation within the organization due to manpower problems, salary, welfare and benefits. So HRM is the key link in the organization.
Human is actually important in any organization. There's a lot of resources in the organization like buildings, machines, financial, money and so on. But one of the key drive the whole organization is a human. So then they're classified as a human resources. Every people working in the organization, they have a different thought. And these all people working in the one place, we think the HR becomes so complex. So we bring together employment relation and also HR. When you bring this together, then you see the real definition of HR.
We have heard opinions and comments from a professor, an expert on HRM, and two federal ministers of Malaysia on the definition of human resources management. So now, let us hear the opinions of those who are in the hospitality industry.
Basically, we look at from hiring until firing. So in both the human development, in both staffing for the organizations, and this is a very key important department. We also look into area of the development of staff, beside those remuneration package that we offer. And the key thing will be, of course, the disciplinary action. Each organizations, I believe, need to have a code to order, the procedure and policy. So human resource management is a very important and crucial in any organizations.
From my own definitions of HRM is management of human resources, whereby this HRM is the backbone of every organization. Let's say they have personal like taking a staffing, like employee compensations and benefits, design of work, and sort of like training. This part of it is formal system, whereby people in the organization within that organization is being recognized.
Thank you, Patrick and Victoria. We now bring you to Felcra Oil Palm Plantation, which is of course so different from the hotel industry, and hear what their comments are about the definition of human resources management.
Resource Management HRM merupakan satu sistem pengurusan manusia yang dicipta untuk mengetahui, memahami, mendalami serta mengawal jati diri setiap individu bagi mencapai sesuatu sasaran yang ditetapkan. Dalam sebuah organisasi atau syarikat pula, HRM merupakan satu kaedah pengurusan yang sangat penting untuk memastikan organisasi atau syarikat tersebut berjaya, kerana setiap kaki tangan adalah merupakan sumber ataupun juga aset yang amat penting untuk kita tadbir uruskan.
HRM merupakan sebuah sistem pengurusan manusia di dalam sebuah syarikat untuk mencapai KPI, iaitu Key Performance Indicator, menerusi misi, visi dan objektif yang disasarkan bagi memastikan peningkatan produktiviti ladang, pendapatan dividen peserta, keselesaan pekerja dan juga suasana kerja yang harmoni.
Thank you to Andrasadi bin Ahmad and Enchi Muhammad Faiz Atul for the inspiring opinions. Lastly, do you agree with the term HRM? How would you redefine it in the current context? Over to you, Professor Bala.
Redefine means in the context of local context. Look at the Sarawak. Sarawak got multi-racial, more open, more polite, like people in Indonesia. The thing I like people in Indonesia, they always call ibu, pak, Anybody you call bapa dengan ibu, that is actually, something it touch your heart. Today, people in the HR or people from management never call the name of the people. That show that what? They show that something they are not really understand and respect. So, from the point of management, they think that employee is a labor. They have to work hard. They have to giving back everything, but when you giving back something, you also return back. So I think the HR policies, the HR practice should be in the local context, and that's what I'm keen to see in many organizations in Malaysia.
Human resource management has evolved to become an indispensable academic field, as well as an important function in the management of organizations. Despite its comparatively recent developments, and drawing upon both overseas and local influences, human resources management is a crucial factor in the success of all organizations. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks for watching HRM News. We like to thank all the members of our team and to those who make these possible behind the scene.